Hope you all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computer. Students, I will teach you chapter number 5 today, handling a mouse. And I have divided this chapter in 2 sessions and this is the first session. In this session we will learn about mouse, okay? Students, before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. Okay, so let's begin. Students, as you use your fingers to point at things, right? If you want something, you point at that thing, na? See, I want this, right? So, how do you point in the computer? If you have to point on a computer, how you can point? Which part of the computer do you use to point at things? Which part do you use? Right, you use mouse. So, today we will learn about using a mouse. You all have seen a mouse? This is a mouse, right? What is this? This is a mouse. Very good. And what is this? This is the tail of a mouse, है ना? And it has buttons on it. It has a scroller, right? Today we will learn about all the parts of a mouse, how you will hold a mouse, how will you use it, okay? So, and one thing, have you noticed that this mouse looks similar to the real mouse? है ना? This computer mouse looks like a real mouse. So, let's learn something more about the computer mouse. What is a computer mouse? It is very small in size. It is the smallest among all the parts of computer that you can see, right? So, it is small in size and it looks like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. There are so many kinds of mouses. In some mouses there are 2 buttons, in some there are 3, okay? So they have 2 or 3 buttons on it. And they have a tail attached to the CPU. So students, this is the mouse, okay? This is a mouse, okay? Can you see this? This is a mouse and these are the buttons of the mouse, okay? There are 2 buttons on this mouse. And what is this? This is the tail of the mouse and we attach it to the CPU, okay? This wire is attached to the CPU of the computer, okay? And there are 2 buttons on it, okay? On this mouse there are 2 buttons. Otherwise, on some mouses there are 3 buttons, okay? This is a 2-button mouse, okay? These are the 2 buttons of the mouse. And what is this? This is the scroll wheel, okay? This is the scroller. You can scroll it to move your pages up and down. Have you understood this about the mouse? It is small in size. You can see this is a small device, okay? And it looks like a real mouse, okay? Also, it has 2 or 3 buttons on it and has a tail that is attached to the computer. This wire is the tail, okay? So next, what are the different buttons that we have on the mouse? First, we have right button, then we have left button and a scroll wheel, okay? Which is the left button on this mouse? This is the left button, okay? The button on the left side of the mouse is the left button and button on the right side of the mouse is the right button, okay? And both the buttons have different functions. You will learn about them when you will use the mouse. And it has a scroll wheel. There is the scroll wheel. I have just now told you which is the scroll wheel of this mouse. This is the scroll wheel. Can you see this in white? This is the scroll wheel, okay? You can move it up and down as per your need. So which is the left button? This is the left button. You can press it, okay? It can be pressed also. And this is the right button. It can also be pressed, okay? And in the middle we have a scroll wheel. So have you understood about all the buttons of the mouse? Let's move to the next. Okay. Next we have the picture of the mouse. What is this? This is the wire attached to the mouse like this. This is the wire, okay? This is the wire, okay? So it is known as mouse wire, okay? Next we have left button. What is this? If this mouse is placed like this, okay, if it is placed like this, so which is the left button? This is the left button, right? So this is the left button, okay? Then opposite side we have right button, okay? This is the right button, okay? Then in the middle we have scroll wheel. This is the scroll wheel, okay? In the middle it is known as scroll wheel, okay? Have you understood on the picture also? Okay. What is a mouse used for? It is used to move pointer, okay? You can move the mouse with your hand and the pointer is moved on the screen of the monitor, okay? Next, it is used to draw pictures. You can draw pictures in paint, right? With the help of mouse, okay? Next, you can select any item on the monitor screen, okay? You can select any item now. If you have to click on something, you can click on it. If you have to select it, you can select it, okay? You can even play games on the computer with the help of the mouse. So it is very important part, right? No? Okay. You can move the pointer, you can draw pictures, you can select items on the monitor, you can click on them, okay? And you can play games. Next, we have mouse pad. What is a mouse pad? Have you seen a mouse pad? A small sheet on which the mouse is placed, on which you move the mouse. A pad on which you move the mouse is known as mouse pad, okay? Next, mouse pointer. What is the mouse pointer? Have you ever seen a slant arrow on the computer that points at things? When you move the mouse, that arrow also moves. That arrow is like this. Have you seen this slant arrow on the monitor? And when you move your mouse, this slant arrow also moves. So this is the mouse pointer, okay? A slant arrow on the screen is called the mouse pointer. Next, the types of mouse. There are different types of mouses, okay? We have 2-button mouse, we have 3-button mouse, scroll mouse, ball mouse, optical mouse. These are all different types of mouse. So next we will learn about all these types of parts one by one. Okay? First, 2-button mouse. This is the 2-button mouse. Okay? It has only 2 buttons. A mouse with 2 buttons is the 2-button mouse. Next, we have 3-button mouse. And this is the 3-button mouse. Okay? Any mouse that has 3 buttons is the 3-button mouse. Next, we have scroll wheel. Scroll mouse. Scroll mouse has a scroller in the middle. Okay? It has a scroll wheel in the middle. The mouse that I was showing you, it has a scroll wheel. So it is a scroll mouse. Okay? Which mouse is this? This is the scroll mouse. It has a scroll wheel. Where is the scroll wheel? This is the scroll wheel of the mouse. Okay? Next we have ball mouse. Ball mouse has a ball under it. Okay? It is placed here. Okay? Under the mouse is the ball. Okay? This is the back side of the mouse. So here is the ball of the mouse, and what it is used for? It is used to move the pointer. Okay, this ball is used to move the pointer, and it is at the back of the mouse, under the mouse. Now we have optical mouse. Okay, what is an optical mouse? It is same as as other mouses, but it uses light to move. Okay, it uses, as the mouse uses ball for the movement of the pointer, in the same way this optical mouse uses light for the movement of the mouse pointer. Okay, so these are all the different types of mouse: 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse, ball mouse, scroll mouse, and this optical mouse. Okay, next we will learn about holding and moving a mouse. How will you hold a mouse? You will hold the mouse with these two fingers. Okay, and you will place the index finger on the left button of the mouse, and you will place this finger on the right button of the mouse. Okay, and you will use your index finger to move the scroll wheel. Okay, in this way you will move the scroll wheel with the index finger, and then you will use the same index finger to click the left button of the mouse. Okay, and when you will move this mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer on the screen will also move. Okay, so have you learned about holding and moving the mouse? You will hold the mouse with these two fingers, place the index finger on the left button and this finger on the right button, and you will rest your palm on the mouse. Okay, in this way. Okay, so have you understood? Okay, now there is an assessment. There are two questions. First is, what is a mouse pointer? Next is, what are the different types of mouse? You have to answer these questions. Pause the video, take your time and write the answers in your notebooks. Have you written the answers? Let's tally them. Okay. So what is a mouse pointer? I have told you, mouse pointer is a slant arrow on the screen. Okay, that moves when you move the mouse. Mouse pointer is a small slant arrow on the screen of the monitor. Okay. Next question is, what are the different types of mouse? What are the different types of mouse? There are so many types of mouse now. 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse, scroll mouse, and ball mouse, optical mouse, and all these are the different types of mouse. So have you understood both the answers? Now your homework is that you have to draw a mouse, computer mouse on the chart, and you have to write about it. Whatever you know about the mouse, write on the chart and draw the picture of the computer mouse. Okay? In the next video, we will learn about the functions of the mouse, and also we will discuss the brain developer exercise. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.